Hi, my name is Cassan, and today I feel a bit blue. Let's take a look at someone from the Smurfs and a snowy frozen character. So, welcome to Mixed Up. Okay, so we're trying to fuse Gargamel and Olaf. And the way I chose to do this is to elongate Gargamel's face a bit and try and squeeze it onto Olaf's body. And that's what you can kind of see that I'm trying to do here. Olaf is an awesome character from the movie Frozen. He's so hilarious. Did you know that Frozen actually took 600 people 2.5 years to animate? That's insane! And here I thought it took a long time for me to animate each episode of Mixed Up. The movie was actually sort of in the works for 70 years. Its origin story is The Snow Queen by Hans Christian Andersen, and Walt Disney had dreamed of adapting it since as early as 1937. And that's a long time ago. You know what else is a long time ago? 1958, where the artist Peo created the Smurfs. And our wizard here, Gargamel, he's from 1959. He's just the sort of character that really seems like he could use a vacation. Always failing in his hunt for the Smurfs. Sometimes he wants to eat the Smurfs, other times he wants to use them to make gold, and even other times he has even more bizarre uses for them. So, you know, this man, he really needs to get out some more. That's why we're turning him into a snowman. And, do you like the result? Let me know in the comments below. See you next time.